Habayakran halor ke MPSC ya ka jingkli balabu do ba piti saukme u menteri rang ba ka jela u konrat ke sangma ula Pyntip Ïing Dorbar hakane ka sni baar ba Haduh kumba 6000 laispa I Tylli ki kam ki balat Tylli ban penlong da ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission u MLA ka mausen ram u ba HM Shang Pliang pan ula bu jingkli na ka benta ka jingthum ya ki enforcement inspector ka bala sa teng lakat tu ka nipor. Walau Chief Minister Shem Jubab, uba Adelbert nongrum ula kerpa deka sorkar, banam penong show eka personal interview, kamtam mikitu ki post bamde gazette.
Reply to star question number 33. A. Sir, the following are the processes for calling an interview. Number 1, the issue of advertisement. Number 2, scrutiny of applications for accepting the application. Number 3, screening test, written test. Number 4, viva voce / personal interview. Number 5, selection / recommendation of eligible candidates. And each of these processes takes its own time depending on the number of posts and applications. B, so there's no criteria from the MPSC. The criteria given by the requiring department is followed by the Commission for the interview. C, yes sir. And D, sir, the total number of vacant posts is 1,301.
Sir, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes, my process.
Sir, may I know from the Honourable Chief Minister, reply to A first. So since there is a complaint of delay for recalling of a debut by MPSC, may I know from Honourable Chief Minister if he can rectify, do all the points which have already mentioned, 5 points is very important, but if the Honourable Chief Minister can rectify how the process will go a little bit shorter so that the applicant will be expected to get the job at the earliest.
Yes, sir. The point that has been mentioned by the honourable member is definitely of great concern to the citizens and especially to the youth of our state. And as mentioned, sir, because of different issues and the times taken that are there, the delay takes place, sir. But there are different, as I said in C, sir, that there are different proposals from the Commission as well as from the government to have revamping, to revamp the MPSC and to improve issues like improvement of the overall use of technology and even proposal to conduct common tests, common examinations for all posts which have the same qualification and the same pay scale in order to avoid multiple examinations is also being examined, sir. At the same time, having more examination centers throughout the state is also being examined. And there's also, an advice to the government by the Commission also to have clubbing of posts by bringing a Meghalaya combined competitive exam rules. So these are different areas where these reforms are being examined. We have not taken a final call because this requires a lot of threadbare discussion and also obviously concerns from all over. So all those areas are there, sir, but point is noted and this is an important issue and I can assure the member that we are working on ensuring that this time frame that is there to ensure that the examinations and interviews are conducted in a much more shorter time, sir.